again. um, this is another attempt on practicing my communication skills in front of a camera. So I have watched this video, and it inspired me to just produce and make videos. Um, the past me wanted to perfect a videos. I want scripts, and I want to practice and memorize my dialogue, but it kind of feels um, artificial. Something like that. So yeah, and this is why I'm starting from now. I will post maybe once, I know, 4 times a week, I guess. I hope my schedule aligns with it, because I'm a very busy student. That was my mother. So anyways, yeah. Good morning, Yulia. That's my little sister, Luna. So yeah, I hope my communication skills became better on when time passed on. Um, yeah, I hope I didn't bore you so much. So thank you for listening again, and goodbye.